What is up, dudes? It's Jose here. Early as hell. Reporting live from Minnesota. It is 3:57. Early as hell. We're getting ready to go. We got all our stuff ready. We got this. Got all the electronic stuff in there. Oh shoot, I gotta put that charger away. Edwin's got his stuff upstairs. I'm gonna go load this, turn on the car, warm up, and go. Hell yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got 224 miles. Alright, so we just reset the tripometer so we can see how far it is. Should be 1,080 miles or something. First tank, 224. I'm thinking it'll be like 200. What about you?
220. Let's give it the benefit of the
Wow,
doubt.
hell no. Alright, let go. Alright, sir, we change of heart. We decided to fill up first and then go because we don't really want to stop. So we're at the local gas station with Mr. Edwin. Pump my gas, sir. No te voy a pagar, güey. Edwin thinks this place is open, but I don't think it's open. How you feel, sir? You ready? You nervous?
You don't know how to drive.
You don't know how to drive, bro?
Like we were already, you were like, ah.
Already nervous? Oh, damn, already? Really? You think so?
Yeah.
Well, that was easy.
¿Te crees, puto?
Claro, Claris. Alright, 205 miles, bruh. Okay, I knew it didn't fill up all the way. Garbage car.
How much is all the way?
There we go, 344 miles.
That's a lot.
Alright dudes, we are here at the first gas station stop. Filling up with like a quarter left, and we drove 260 miles, so it's pretty good. Apparently 91 octane costs $3.39 per gallon here, which is insane. And it's only 91. So I have to change it to the 91 tune, which I'm about to do. See, we've been driving for like 4 hours now almost, and we are halfway through Wisconsin. We're almost at Madison, and then we're still driving eastish, and then we're gonna turn south and go all the way down. But it's kind of cold, dude. And 93 or 91 octane here is $3.39, dude. I just paid for 93 octane before I left. I paid for 93, and I was at, I think I was only like 270 or 280, which is like 50 cents cheaper. So I expect this is gonna be expensive as hell. Oh, holy shit. All right, guys, let's keep it moving. And with the shit. I almost died, boy. All right.
What?
I said, and with that expensive fill up, it's Edwin's turn to drive.
Hey guys, it's me.
It's Edwin. Tell him
We'll get there pretty quick with my driving.
Yeah, for real. Edwin drives too fast, bro. So you better watch it. Watch our lip.
You guys, FTB, inspired by Evan Shanks.
And that's it, pretty much. Evan Shanks, my favorite YouTuber. Check out this new water, though.
Hey man, you still got us looking super dark. That's a struggle for my dark ass.
It's true. It's because it's dark in here. It'll look better on TV, around the camera. All right. Ready? Let's keep it moving. Damn, this dude's fucking up traffic. How fast are we going? 60?
We're still going 70 though.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, this is a new Audi.
How do those people make you feel, sir?
Not again.
Okay, not again. Alright guys, before this song continues and I get copyright, we
What's the next Audi?
will race them. We are 12 hours away. Let's get it! Alright bro, getting on the highway here, sir. Algo leve. You know how to drive it.
That's good, huh?
It does.
It's pretty leve. Divide that shit by 2.
Not enough room, not enough room. Yeah. We're in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm scared, not in Indianapolis yet, but we crossed the India border. India. We're in Indianapolis. We just crossed, or we just got over here a little bit ago. So we are doing great. Edwin is in El Baño, and we are here at BP. I haven't filled up. I filled up one time so far, and it was like $50, so 14 gallons. And it was like $3.40, so as you guys saw, which is insane. But we're still running that same tank, and we still have like a little bit more than half, which is great. Just gotta use the bathroom and get snacks, or food, water, mostly. Yeah, so we are good. Car is doing great. Love this car. Drives great. No problems, so. We ended up taking like a detour to Chicago so we could just check it out or whatever. So then now, the road is gonna be Indianapolis or Indiana, whatever, and then Kentucky, Tennessee, and then, yeah, Georgia. So, yeah guys, all right, let's keep it moving. So, now we're still in Indiana. I decided to pump. It was like 2 points under half, and there was like still 140 miles left in the tank according to the little thing. So, we still had some gas left, which is great. But you know, we're just filling up. You know, I don't really want to like run it to empty and stuff, but yeah guys, it's great, going good. We are on track to be the latest buck, but no rush. It's looking so good. Look at this. She's doing great. I'm gonna check the oil quick. Dirty, so dirty.
Ooh, it's chilly.
I know, I hate it. Perfect, beauty foul.
Nice.
You guys see that? Hopefully it zooms in and looks beautiful. Looking great. Dude, my hair is so ugly right now.
I bet. Che, Narco, Jordan.
Narco. Bro, it looks so ugly, like on the side.
You look like a fucking hipster.
I would have to go like take a shower when we get there.
Hey, look, what?
Alright, Edwin is trying to hop the fence. I'll probably put the video right here just cause, you know.
I'm not a good Mexican.
You're not?
No.
Sorry. You didn't make the cut. Come on, man, it was easy.
What did you do? You just pulled yourself up?
Yeah, do it from Mother Russia. That's in Tijuanese. Alright, sir. Yeah, we just had. I don't know why it's so dark. Sorry, but we had great food. It was amazing, and now we're in Nashville, so we're gonna drive. We're gonna drive 4 hours to ATL and go. And yeah, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Alrighty boys, so now last time we're gonna fill up, I think. We are here live, and yeah, it's gonna be great. Found a gas station, 93 octane for 301. What? Pretty good, Edwin. So, all right, dude, tell us the people what happened.
This place is so great. I recommend it. It's a safe area. It's easy to get your car on the ramp. There's more blankets.
There is actually. Facts.
I'm really doing that. We have this 1992 here, so if we die in a fire, you don't know why.
Alright, bro, we out here. I'm gonna end the video. Oh man, I'm tired. It's been a long day. We made it to ATL. 3 pumps, 3 fill-ups.
Really?
On gas, yeah. So it was like $130. Not bad. Good day. Alright, I'm out. Peace.
Keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward.